name's Paul Stockhill, and I'm Managing Director of Spark. We're a precision engineering company, and we cater for all sorts of types of manufacturing. For example, we have 16 items in the International Space Station. We have components which we've worked on that have gone to Mars. We work with the aerospace industry, such as Rolls-Royce, Siemens, ITP engines, around the civil and military aircraft engine work and power generation engine work. In the last couple of years, we have decided to introduce new technology in the place of 3D metal printing. This technology will be the future of a lot of manufacturing and fetches alongside it some eco advantages to help with the environmental issues that we face today. Along with this, in the last 20 years, I've provided apprenticeships on a yearly basis. Our continued involvement in belief in that getting young people at an early stage to teach them about the way things are manufactured. I am the Vice Chair of the UTC in Doncaster, and it is my privilege that we can get involved with this school to create young engineers of the future. When I was at school, I became a head boy, and this gave me some advantages because I was able to design and manufacture a silver coffee pot. This was instrumental in my future career because with my very first job interview, I presented this to them and they took it away and left me there for 40 minutes. Came back and pretty much said, "You've got a job." So I was quite pleased that design and manufacturing had given me an opportunity to get a career at that early stage. Over the years, I have been one to embrace change and new technology. It's making manufacturing things easier and to improve the way things are made. The introduction of CNC and CAD design is one of the most influential things I could say in my career of 52 years in engineering. And our new investment in the EOS 290 3D metal printing is now, I believe, the future, the leading edge technology that we need to apply. My biggest challenge that I have faced is the skills gap. For example, my demographics at this company are that 15 people, 11 of those are under 33. The next one is 58 years old, so there's a huge gap. This is the bigger challenge, and I decided that taking apprentices and teaching them the skills they need was the most important way to overcome this. There's a definite change in the way that companies are looking at the future, and we're seeing this in that they're looking to consider things like the environment and climate change. We can offer solutions to some of this. It's not a panacea that's solve everything, but every little helps in the way that small acorns grow big trees in the end. In the future, upskilling of the workforce and the well-being most definitely is something that's got to be considered.